Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheila. For today's video, I want to organize my bathroom closet, and I also want to sell some of my stockpile. I don't have much, but it's like overtaking my bathroom and my cabinets. So I want to clean my stuff out, especially check the expiration dates on my products and see what I want to sell. This is my first time ever selling anything as far as household items. So I want to see what kind of bundles I come up with, or if I just want to sell by sets like shampoo and conditioner and maybe like 2 or 3 body wash. So I'm not sure how I'm going to go about it. So let's go ahead and get started with this video because I have to clean my bathroom because it's such a mess, and I have to organize it because it's driving me crazy. So let's get started.
Okay, so my closet is not really unorganized. I just feel like I just have a lot of stuff, and so what I'm gonna try to do is get some of this stuff out and see what I can sell and just organize the rest. Make sure that the oldest stuff is brought forward and the newer stuff is put back, so that way we can use the old stuff first. And yeah, this is what my closet looks like right now.
I also have some stuff here underneath my bathroom cabinet that I need to organize and take out because it's really taking over my bathroom. Okay, so this is my son's bathroom, and I have this pretty full also. Well, not pretty full, but I have some stuff down here too. So that's why I'm trying to get rid of stuff because we have plenty of stuff to use. And this is my hallway closet. I have a couple of things here, and as you can see, so I don't know, I just want to get rid of some of this stuff. Also, I am currently cleaning my house, so excuse the mess if you see my bed undone and my bathroom being a mess. That's why I'm trying to organize it and clean. So I'm gonna start with toothpaste because I did notice on one that I opened, it did say expired 2021. So that's why I'm gonna start with the toothpaste, and that's how I wanted to organize, because I saw that one of my toothpaste was going to expire, and I was like, I need to check the expiration dates on some of these products. Okay, so these are the newest ones and these are the oldest one. I'm going to be checking the expiration date on some of these and see when they expire, and I want to see which ones I want to keep for myself and which ones I want to sell. I'm not going to be selling a whole lot, but I just want to get started on selling items and see if they actually sell. So that's what I'm trying to do. Guys, this one expired October of 2020, so I can't sell this one, so I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna sell these. I'm not sure how much to sell them for, but I think I'm gonna be selling them in sets of 2, or maybe like these 4. Since these are kind of the cheapest ones, probably sell these together and then sell these by sets. So, or maybe do 2 whole sets like this, 2 bundles like this, and then maybe a 3rd bundle like this. I'm not sure if I'm going to do separate or together, but I am going to place them over here because these are the ones that I want to sell. These I'm gonna take back to I'm just gonna set them in my room and make a mess until I organize my closet. These tripods, so I think I'm gonna do, this is 35 count, these are 16 count, so I think I'm gonna do a set of 2 maybe. Maybe these are a set of 3. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, so this was back here. That's where I got the small bags. I still have 1 Gain, 1 Tide, and then the rest of the laundry detergent that I showed you. Now I'm just gonna take this stuff out. Okay, so this was all the stuff underneath my sink, and I'm just gonna go through it and see what kind of bundle I come up with. Okay, I think I'm gonna be selling in sets of 4, like these 4 together, these Garnier together, this Garnier Fructis. I actually got this weekend if you saw my CVS haul. These, with the whole transaction that I did with this and the L'Oreal, after all the extra bucks from both transactions, these came out for 75 cents. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna sell these, but I think I'm gonna be selling like in sets of 4, like these 4, these big bottles. I'm gonna find 2 more of these, and these Tresemes. And this is just what was underneath the bottom of my cabinet. So in the meantime, I already cleaned the bottom sink. I'm gonna organize the top, bring that stuff down to the bottom sink, and try to sell these items. So let's go ahead and organize that. I still have some razors over here. I'm not sure if I should sell those. I have a lot of toothbrushes, but mainly I just have a lot of shampoos because, you know, you get those really good good shampoo deals. So that's why I have a lot of shampoos and body wash. So overwhelmed. Okay, so I got my pink drink to keep me hydrated and motivated, and I got my step ladder. Let's get started. I think I'm gonna sell these as a set. The Suave, I'm not sure if you can see, the Suave Naturals. I recently got this at a Dollar General haul. You can check out one of my videos, but these were $1. These Natural Shea Pure Coconut Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I got these for $1 at Dollar General, so I think I'm gonna sell this as a set. Okay, so these are body wash. Got the Olay, so I'm just gonna bring the back ones forward, and I'm gonna bring these out to sell with the other body wash. Okay, guys, so this is what the closet looks like now. Let me get on my step ladder. But yeah, I was able to organize the toothpaste. This is my Invisalign box. But I organized them this way just because I feel like I can get more things in there. And I kind of left this the same. The deodorants that were in here, I placed them in my husband's little drawer in his little side of the bathroom. And then here, I just took everything out and I put whatever was in the front, I put it towards the back. Whatever was in the back, I put it towards the front because the stuff in the back was the oldest stuff. And then I just left my husband some body wash. I still have some Olay body wash back there. So that is how I kind of cleaned a little bit. And then the deodorants and some of the razors I just placed in this drawer right here for him. Guys, I don't like these either, so I'm gonna sell these. I don't know why these leave my hair so awful, so I'm gonna sell those. Okay, guys, so these are all the items that I'm gonna place for sale. Let's see how we do. Like I mentioned, I am gonna place them in a private Facebook group that I belong to. It's like the community Facebook page. I'm gonna place the items there and see if they sell. If they don't sell, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna put them on Facebook Marketplace and see what happens. Should I put it on Facebook Marketplace first? I don't know. I've never sold anything except for like makeup and little things like that to people I know. I've never sold something to people I don't know. So I don't know. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found this video not helpful, because it wasn't even helpful to me. I just needed to get rid of some of this stuff. I don't want to have this huge pile of things taking up space. And also my mom has plenty of stuff in her, like she has a whole shed full of stuff. And so what I'm trying to do is trying to find a place where we can sell the items. So I'm starting first with a couple of my items, and then if I get them sold, then we're gonna start with her things and sell those. Let me know if you have any tips on how to sell them, or where to place them, or how do you sell them? Do you sell them by the bundle, and how much do you up the price on each item, or what percentage you do? I would really appreciate that. But anyways, thanks for watching today's video. I hope that you somewhat enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.